Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix a very popular error which comes in Google Search Console when you try to index your pages. So once you go to pages, let me take the example of my own website marksheetgenerator.com, and I'm assuming that you have submitted the sitemap. In this case, as you see, I've already submitted the sitemap on August 2. Now it's August 23. 311 pages were discovered. Now if I go to the pages section to check out how many pages are indexed, so you will actually see only 187 pages have been indexed. Rest of 173 pages have not been indexed. So in this video we will look at how to fix this error, which is discovered currently not indexed. So as you can see right here, majority of my pages are actually falling into this category. 141 pages, which is a large chunk of pages. So this error simply means that Google has not crawled your web page yet. This can be of different reasons. Google has not come to your website, or it has decided that the pages that you have, these pages are not worth the quality. So now to fix this issue is very easy. You basically first of all actually see the individual pages one by one which are not indexed. So let me take an example right here. So if you take this example, for example, I take this page. So first of all, you have this option to actually check for the indexing. You click on that. So now it will be retrieving data from Google Index, whether its page is indexed or not. So as you see, page is not indexed. It has been discovered. Google know about this page, but it has not indexed it. So as you see, crawling also has not been done. So the very first solution to this problem is that you click on this button, request indexing. So this simply means that we are actually communicating to Google that please index this page. And this is actually a very good way by which in Google Search Console you can actually force Google to index the page. So we are actually doing manual indexing. So we are actually telling Google that please go to this page and index it. So in most of the cases, guys, 90% of the cases, the problem will be solved. You just need to check after one day. So now you will get this message indexing requested. So that URL is added to priority crawl queue. So don't submit multiple times. One time is more than enough. You get this message indexing requested. Just check after 10 to 12 hours. The page will be indexed. So now how to check this page, whether this page is indexed? Just go to Google and just type this URL. If the URL comes at the first page, you will perfectly know that this page have been indexed. So in this easy way, you can fix this problem 90% of the time by clicking this request again button. Your problem will be fixed. So in majority of the cases, but if still Google doesn't index your page, you need to open the page first of all. Just open the page which has not been indexed by Google. Simply check whether it has enough content or not, or it's a low quality page. Low quality pages are those pages which doesn't have enough content. So just make sure that your web page is providing value to the user. It is not created by AI. Most of the time, as you know, these AI tools create pages which actually creates problem for Google to index pages. So that's why just make sure that you created your own page. For in this example, this is my tool-based website. So I basically created all these pages by myself by doing coding in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So this is a tool-based website. So in majority of the cases, Google index these pages. But if you are running a blog website and you are actually generating pages through AI, so in those cases, those pages will not be indexed. Google has released the Google spam update recently, and they exactly told you that the AI generated pages will not be indexed. So just make sure that you open the page and see you are providing enough value. And in my case, it's a perfect random color palette generator tool. It's providing value once user comes to this tool, they can generate random color palettes. So in my case, it's actually providing actual value. The tool is perfectly working. So you just need to give enough time to it. So just go to manually, just check out the page. If the page hasn't been indexed, so as you can see, I did this page today itself. I repeated the process. I click request indexing, and now as you can see, after 10 to 12 hours, the page has been successfully indexed. So as you see that it was indexed today itself. So crawling was done today itself, August 23 to 2026 at 1 p.m. So as you can see, the proof is there. If you click on request indexing, Google will actually index your page in 10 to 12 hours instantly. So you just need to repeat this process for all the pages which are inside discovered currently not indexed. So this simply means that Google hasn't come to your website. So you do need to sometimes in cases you do need to manually force Google to actually index your website. So I can even show you the proof as well. If I go to Google, simply type the URL, you will see the URL now has been successfully indexed. So you can see airline boarding pass generator. This was the actual page. So this will significantly help, guys. The limit is 12 pages. So you can't do request indexing unlimited number of times. There is a limit to it. Only 12 times you can do. After that you will get an error that quota exceeded. So 12 times you can do this per day. So in this way you can index. There is also a website you can check out, Omega Indexer. If you are looking forward to index your pages, this website is a trusted website to actually, they have various packages where you can actually give some money to this website, and in under 12 hours or 24 hours, the pages will be indexed on Google. If they unable to do that, they will give you refund. So if the pages are not indexed, you will get a full refund. So I've tried this website in the past. That's why I'm telling you. It gives you some credits in the pricing plan. They have various plans out there. 190 credits. Each credit cost you around this much. Various plans are there, $19. So which is more than enough to. If you have a lot of pages which are not indexed, you simply tell this website just purchase some credits and you will be able to index your pages. The website name is omegaindexer.com. Definitely check this website out. So in this easy way, guys, you can fix this error discovered currently not indexed in Google Search Console. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.